Hello, we are here again, friends, to quickly solve this integral question. So if you look at this, just like we have been doing, we are going to call this denominator, because the power of the denominator is more than that of the numerator. We are going to call this denominator a u. So u is equal to x cubed, call this equation 1, call the x cubed plus 3x squared plus 9x. Okay, and then we differentiate it du over dx, differentiate u with respect to x, so that we'll have 3x squared plus 6x plus 9, because the 3 will multiply this and then minus 1, the 2 will multiply 3 minus 1, and then 1 will multiply 9 minus 1, and then this is what it's going to give us. Then the next thing to do is to make the x the subject of the formula. We cross multiply and make the x the subject of the formula. We have that the x equals du all over 3x squared plus 6x plus 9. But if you look at this, you see that there is something common to all the terms in this expression, so we can factor that out, so that we have that the x equals du all over 3 can be a common factor, so that I'll have x squared plus 2x plus 3 here. Okay, let's call this equation 2. Okay, or let's call it again equation 3, and then this equation 2. So we are going to substitute equation 2 and equation 3 into equation 1. That is, wherever we see this, we replace it with u. Wherever we see the x, we replace it with this. So that is going to happen, so that this function will become the integral of, instead of this remains x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over, instead of this we have u, then times dx. Instead of the x we have du all over 3 into x squared plus 2x plus 3, and then you can see that the whole of this is the same with this apart from this 3, so that this can cancel this, and our expression will turn to the integral of 1 over u times du over 3. And of course, a constant, integrating a constant, you can bring it out of the integral box, so that I have 1 over 3, the integral of 1 over u du. And of course, when you integrate the reciprocal, or 1 over is a function with respect to that, the differential of that function, it will give you a lim. So what I am saying is that when you integrate 1 over u, you get lim u plus the constant c. And you remember that our u is originally from equation 2, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 9x. I bought the small, then plus the constant c, and this is the integral of this function. Okay.